What's going on, guys? Welcome back to RJ and the Fam. Today I have Caden with me.
Hey.
He's chewing on some candy from the UK that we made a video about on my other channel, RJ Smith Comedy. So if you want to see how that went, go check that out. But today we have some mystery Harry Potter items that we bought from Target. Two of them one of them's kind of like I guess both of them are bag clips. Are these both bag clips? I don't know. I guess we're about to find out. And one is a mystery creatures cube from Fantastic Beasts series. I am a huge Harry Potter fan. I love Harry Potter.
Yeah.
Okay, do you like Harry Potter?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think our whole family loves Harry Potter.
I don't really watch, I do watch the scary ones, but, there's not that much of them.
Alright, so let's open these first, and the back clips, and we'll save this one for last. So we'll do this one first, this one second, this one for the end.
You open one and I open one?
I'll let you open all of them. How about that?
Okay, so.
Alright, I'm going to open that one first. So go ahead and tear it open. Okay, hold on. Maybe I'll help you out. Is there no spot to tear it? Got a knife. Alright, so maybe I'll open them all since we have to use a knife. This says Series 2, and I guess there's 6 to collect. And we were just at Target and we saw these and we thought, hey, these would be kind of fun to unbox or unbag. So, alright, stick your hand in and see what's in there.
So you got
Draco Malfoy.
Hey, the bully. Mouth boy. Alright, hold on. Punching bag. Kinda hurts.
So this was pretty cool. Might hang it on your book bag or something like that. Again, I like the see-through of his outfit. I thought that was pretty cool. So in this series, you can collect Harry on a broomstick, Hermione Granger with wand, Ron Weasley with wand, Harry Potter with wand, Draco Malfoy on a broomstick, and then Invisible Harry Potter with wand. So that's super
What's
cool.
invisible?
It's free.
It's a free one, yeah. You just open it up and there's nothing. It's like, oh, it's Harry Potter. See if you can open this one up. This one is the Series 5. And in this one you could get Harry Potter, Hermione Granger, Ron Weasley, McGonagall, Neville Longbottom, Luna Lovegood, a Chocolate Frog, Hogwarts Express, a Sorting Hat, and then it just says exclusive A and exclusive B, but it doesn't show a picture of it.
Mysteries. 2 mysteries.
See what I think's in there. What do you think's in there? After, if you could guess.
Pushy.
I think it's a Chocolate Frog. Alright, so let's see. Oh, well, they put a thing around it. We got Neville Longbottom. Now this one is super cool. I like this one. The color on it, I don't know, I might give this one to Brandy. She seemed pretty excited to have this one.
I love Neville. He's my favorite kid.
Alright, we'll give it to you. These are pretty cool. I like these a lot.
We can have this one.
And so, yeah, Neville is pretty cool. I like the quality of it. It's like a hard plastic. And these are inexpensive things to get, you know? So, alright, let's move on to our next one. This is the Mystery Cube, and it has the animals from the Fantastic Beasts series. So, let's see what's in here.
Can I watch that one?
It's silver. This one I'm sure you can open, dude. So start here, okay?
This is
Yeah, it has a little ridge in it.
Alright, open it up. Let's see.
we
I
have
hope it's the cube
paper and
Should have a stand with it.
stand.
So it has a stand to go with it.
This is a character.
Oh, I already know what it's the Demiguise.
It might be.
So it's like I think it's the blue one. The blue, like, kind of. No, it's the
gray
you'll
one.
see. Yeah. This little dude.
Aww.
It's the Demiguise.
What kind of movie was he in?
Oh, how fun is he?
And this is from the Noble Collection, from the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. The Noble Collection is known for like their high quality products. And so this one's really cool. I forgot, I think he could go invisible.
Mm-hmm.
Am I correct on that?
I think you're right.
And it has a little stand you could sit them on. That one is cool. I love this.
You know that one?
I love collecting Harry Potter things. I just love collecting geeky things. That's why we made this channel. So the whole family can enjoy it. So we got these 3 things out of our mystery boxes and bags from the Harry Potter stuff. Again, really great quality. It's just cool things, especially them guys to put on your desk or something like that. The other ones are obviously meant to be put on your backpack.
Or something.
Or your car keys or something like that. But anyways, great quality. Alright, so that's it for this video. Did you like everything we got out of there?
Yeah. I really like the
Them guys. Malfoy?
The clear I like his suit because in the movie he has a black suit, but that one's clear. I thought he was gonna come like if you got one of like if you got him, it'll probably be like black, but it was clear.
Yeah, yeah, that one's pretty cool. My favorite is the Demiguise, however you say it. But anyways, hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. It would really help us out. And that's it. We'll see you next time.
Bye.